The Crosstracks platform has a great number of settings that you can utilize to make the system your own and have the system operate according to your needs for whatever type of investigation that you conduct. Whether that's one type of investigation or if you're working 10 different types of investigations, the system has settings that allow you to operate in whatever manner that you choose. The area we're going to go over today is the System Settings module up here in the upper left of the Settings page. In order to get here, click on Settings, and it'll bring you to this page where all of the Crosstrack settings are located. The first one at the top here is the Dashboard Customization, which you'll see is coming soon. What we're going to do is allow you to choose what you see on the dashboard, and should be able to choose from a variety of options, whether you want to see your cases or a client list, and we're formulating a plan to bring that to you all soon. Next, you'll see the Public Case Disclaimer. Crosstracks has a widget which you can put on your website, which will allow you to create a form and intake cases directly from your website. This disclaimer will go at the bottom right before the client submits a case. For example, you would want to put something on there, maybe, please note that all of this information submitted will be reviewed for accuracy. By submitting this assignment or this case, you agree to our rates and client handling protocols or something like that. It just gives you a level of legal protection or just a level of protection for your organization when people are submitting cases publicly. So if you could change that text there, click on it, and then click Save. The next topic is their system emails. These are the automated emails that can go out of the system. There's also some templates that you can utilize to send case updates. There's a separate video for this topic, so check that out when you have a chance. The time tracker is a good feature that you can utilize to determine how much time you're spending inside of cases doing administrative work or reports. The time tracker is this red box up here, and as you can see, you can start and stop that at any time. You also have the option of turning that time tracker off, and you can do that by clicking Enable or Disable. As you can see, if I click Disable, this red box up here is going to go away. The next item in the system settings is your time, date, and currency. As with the system emails, there is a separate video that covers this topic. So once again, check that out when you have time, and that feature allows you to set your time and date according to how you would like it, and also the currency symbol in the system. So just a quick recap, click on Settings, and then your global system settings are located here on the upper left-hand corner of the page. The automated system emails inside of Crosstracks are a huge time saver. Regardless of the size of your company, whether you're a one-man operation or you have 50 investigators, the automated emails that are sent when certain things happen in the system save a ton of time. So in order to customize the emails that go out from your system, click on Settings, and then up here in the System Settings module, you'll see System Email. Click on that, and this will take you to the System Email template list. As you can see, there are 39 templates to choose from in the system. These templates are 100% editable. You can add certain fields in the system. You can add any content that you would like to get the emails to meet your criteria. This column here shows whether or not this email is active. So you don't have to activate all 39 emails. You can select the ones that meet your needs. In order to edit an email, click on the email edit icon, and some of these templates are not easily identifiable just based on the template title, like document expire notification. If you're unsure of what the email does, click on the edit button and you can dive into the email and see what the content says and then you can learn more about that particular email. So this email is an assignment update. This is one that you would most likely send out after a day of investigation. You want to update the client, you want to update an operations manager, you can send this email to certain individuals. Now, this is the subject of the email. You can change it, you can add to it, and as you can see down here, there's certain case fields that you can put in this particular email. If you scroll down, you can see the entire email. And once again, add content, take content away, make the email yours. If you want to maximize these screens, you can certainly do that by dragging the screen down. This gives you a little more room to work as well when you're editing an email. Here you have all of your typical word processing features where you can make this italicized or underline it. Down here you have a reply to field. If someone replies to this automated email, this is the email address that it's going to go to. So if somebody replies to this update that I send them, the email is going to come to brad@crosstracks.co. Another great feature is if you want multiple people within your organization to receive this email, you can subscribe them to this particular template email. So when this email goes out, Brad, Maggie, and Tina are going to receive a copy of this email as well. If you want to turn an email on or off, you can do that here with this active on or off switch. So just to recap, if you click on settings and up in the case customization area, you'll see system email. When you click on that, it'll take you to the system email template screen. And from there, you can turn the emails on if you want them to be active, and you can edit the emails to meet your needs. The system gives our users the ability to customize their time zone, their time format, their date format, and also their currency. So in order to format your time zone, you want to click on My Profile. As you can see here, this field allows you to select your time zone. The next thing we're going to cover is the time, date, and currency setting. So for that, you're going to click on Settings. Then up at the top under System Settings, you'll see Time, Date, and Currency. Click on that. The first field in the upper left is your date format. You can choose from various date formats. As you can see, you have 4 to choose from. Next, you have the time format. As you can see in this explanation, the capital letters are the 24-hour format. That's also commonly known as military time. You can choose from various different formats of your time. You can choose the one that's best suited for you. Next, you can choose your currency format, and those will appear as the symbols for the currency on the invoices. You can select those from here. Once you complete that step, just simply click Save, and you will be good to go. There is one additional time zone setting that we want to show you. If you click on the upper right-hand corner and click on Account and Billing, you'll be taken to your company information screen. Click Update Company. Here you can select the time zone for the company, whereas before we were showing you how to select the time zone for a particular user. In that case, it was yourself. So here, under the time zone, you can select the time zone for your company. Down